Welcome back to my channel. Kahit ito yung first video na i-upload ko. So, for today's video, today is January 15, 2026. So, we are flying the Philippines via Singapore Airlines. Okay? From Dubai International Airport. So, I'm currently here in Abu Dhabi. So, I will be traveling from Abu Dhabi to Dubai International Airport for 3 hours. So, time check is 10:39 in the morning. So, samahan nyo ako kasi meron akong 11 hours layover in Singapore. So, try natin lumabas ng Singapore and then explore around kung ano meron sa Singapore. Okay? Samahan nyo ako. Let's go. So, yun ang luggage natin. We have the check-in luggage and then the hand carry luggage. So, outfit check. Yan. Yan lang. Chinelas lang tayo para pagdating sa mga airport control or security controls, madali natin siyang malagpasin. Security controls kasi na kailangan ubarin mo pa yung sapatos. So, based on my experience, so I prepared like traveling wearing slippers lang or yung easy to remove footwears. Yun lang. So, ayun, let's go. Let's travel from Abu Dhabi to Dubai International Airport. By the way, I'm traveling like public transportation only. So, from here, I'll be traveling using taxi because I have luggage. Then from there, I will be riding bus going to IBN Batuta. Then from IBN Batuta Metro Station to the airport. By the way, sa Dubai naman, napaka-easy naman ng public transportation kasi magkakadikit-dikit lang lahat. So, point to point lang siya lahat. So, hindi ganun ka-hassle. Okay? So, let's go. Samahan niyo ako. Papunta ng bus. At kung saan pa. Medyo may kabigatan yung aking lagaya. Thank you. Yan. Lang. Kuya, open please. So, ito ang buhay kapag magka-travel mag-isa. Okay. Kuya, bus terminal please. So, yun guys. We are now here at IBN Batuta. So after a 2 hours travel from Abu Dhabi, so we have just reached the IBN Batuta station. So that is the IBN Batuta station, and this is the bus station here in IBN Batuta. So from IBN Batuta, we will take a metro going to Center Point, and then we will stop on Dubai International Airport Terminal 1. So let's go guys, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Ang hassle naman ito. Tira yung gulong ng maleta. Nakapagod siya.
Doors closing. الأبواب تغلق.
Tayo ng grabe, nahirapan ako ng maleta ko. Bakit ganito siya? Kung ayaw niya umikot ng gulo, putang ina, baka sobrang bigat.
Doors closing.
O, nakaabot tayo. Dahil sa God.
المحطة القادمة هي ذهانات ناشونال، وهي محطة انتقالية بين الخط الأحمر ومسار 2020 لمترو دبي. The next station is National Tanks. This is interchange station between Dubai Metro Red Line and Route 2020.
Ang kagandahan dito, pagsakay mo ng train, so bababa ka na rin sa airport mismo. So 40 minutes ride, tapos ganito pa yung facility. Actually ito is gold class, so wala masyadong tao. So may lagayan ng mga pambagay, so relax tayo para tayo nasa airplane din. So guys, we are now approaching Dubai International Airport Terminal 1. So after like
الأبواب تغلق.
40 minutes,
Doors
40
closing.
minutes travel from IBN Batuta to Terminal 1. So we are reaching Dubai International Airport Terminal 1. As you can see, ang daming, so pwede naman tayong escalator, pero mukhang punuan. Mag-next batch tayo. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa ating pulong. So mag-next batch na lang tayo. Dahil hindi ko siya maitulak talaga. direkta kami sa departure station. So that's how easy here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Pagdating sa public transportation, madali kang it's easy peasy. So we'll go on this area. Let's go. So from here, you can simply grab. Ayan na. So gamit tayo ng trolley dahil nahihirapan tayo. Muna tayo ng trolley. Dahil ang hirap dalhin ang aking maleta. Okay. So let's go. So from here, hanapin lang natin yung Singapore Airlines na SQ495. 495, Area 4. It will open at
Area 3.
Area 4 na siya. So this. So ang gagawin natin, habang na tayo sa Area 4, dito tayo, pero parang gusto ko muna magpatimbang. Gusto ko magpatimbang muna. Basta Area 4 tayo, pero hanap muna tayo ng timbangan. Ang problema, wala akong coins. So hindi ko alam kung makakapagpatimbang ba ako. So ayun guys, since gusto tayo ng tayong dalang coins at kailangan natin magtimbang kasi dito kailangan mo magbayad kung papatimbang. Meron naman kanina open na counter pero hindi accurate. So, happy na lang muna tayo. Tapos, sakto may barya. Tatanggap naman ng paper bill na 5 dirhams. 5 dirhams naman na sinakrisa. Laban. So, ang open check-in counter is 404 pa. 440. Itan pa tayo po. So, pagkatapos nitong kape, natitimbang lang ako kung sakto ba yung ating bagahe. Para kung sumobra, makapagbawas pa tayo. Kasi nag-alap naman ako ng hand carry. So, pwede tayong magbawas. So, tingnan natin. Tapos natambay na tayo din sa counter hanggang alas 4 para mauna tayo sa pila. Doon makapasok na tayo agad at makapag-lunch tayo. So, kita naman tayo mamaya. Okay? So, ayun guys. Tapos tayo magkape. So, ngayon, at dahil wala tayong barya kanina, at hindi tayo makapagpakilo, so, ang ending, napa-withdraw tayo. And then, sa withdrawal, 100 dirhams yung nilabas. And then, hindi naman tumatanggap yung machine ng, yung kiluhan ng 100. So, napakapit tayo para magkaroon ng barya. So, ito, punta tayo ngayon doon sa kiluhan para magpakilo just to ensure na 25 kilos lang yung ating bagahe. Dahil kung hindi, nga, pakalayo pa natin sa Dubai. Ay, sorry. Layo pa natin sa Abu Dhabi. So, tara. Manyo. So, ang ating kilo is 25.1 for this one. So, ang allowance natin is 25 kilos. So, pwede na siya. Sana payagan nito. So, hindi ko alam kung magiging ilang kilo siya kapag nirap. Iparap ko na kaya, no? Sige, parap na natin. So guys, habang nag-aantay tayo, ng check-in counter to be open, so akit muna tayo ng food court. Tignan natin sa kabila kung may bakanting lift. 25. Umaktak na naman. Let's go! So, second floor is the food hall. Check-in counter sa park. Ayan, na tayo. Punta muna tayo ng food court. Pakita ko sa inyo mga aeroplano. Meron kasi ng view. Kaso mukhang walang pwestuhan. Anyway, let's see. Journalist naman tayo. Ayan, so ayun, nakahanap tayo ng pwesto with our luggage. So ayun ang itsura niya. Madami yung ano eh. Welcome to Dubai International Airport Terminal 1. Ayan. So, bago ka makapunta dyan, from this building, dito kasi yung mga check-in counters. So, from here, pag nakapasok ka na ng, pag nakalagpas ka na ng immigrations, and then security checks, sasakay ka pa ng train papunta dyan. So, yan yung mga gates. So, dyan ka pupunta kung saan man yung gate mo na na-assign. Ayan. Ang Dubai, ang carrier nila is Emirates Airline. Ang Abu Dhabi naman, ang carrier nila is Etihad Airways. Ayun, nakita nyo yung lumilipad. So we are now here at check-in counter area 4, wherein Singapore Airlines is assigned for all the check-in passengers. So as of now, time check is 3:46 in the afternoon, and then according to the time board, ano ba tawag doon sa board na yun, yung maraming timings ng airlines, according to that board, the check-in counter will open at 4:40 in the afternoon. So, it's 3:46 in the afternoon here. So, we have to wait for like 1 hour more. 1 hour. So, hintayin na natin dito. So, dito na tayo tumambay kasi para pag open or pag ready ng mga ground crew, pag open na yung counter, so mauna tayo sa line, and then maaga tayo makatapos ng immigrations and security checks, and then tambay tayo sa lounge, and then until we wait for our departure time. So ayun, so meron tayong 11 hours layover sa Singapore, so lalabas tayo ng Singapore, and then let's see kung saan tayo dadamputin sa Singapore. Sana hindi tayo damputin ng mga police, but yeah, samahan nyo ako to tour around the Singapore for 11 hours. So maaga naman yung dating natin doon, so maganda yung arrival natin, maganda yung time ng arrival natin sa Singapore. So we will be arriving at 7:15 in the morning. So ayun, so marami tayong oras to roam around. So, waiting na tayo, time check, it's anong oras na ba? 4:13. 30 minutes left. Tama ba? So, after mo dyan sa check-in counters na yan, dito ka naman. Ayan, dito ka naman. And then, mag-i-scan ka ng boarding pass, and then immigration. Then after immigration, security checks, and then sakay ka na ng train papunta ng gates. Yung exit na dito. So hintayin natin mag-open yung check-in counters, and then pad-dipad na. So guys, counter is now open. So mix ang check-in counters. So hindi mawala yung bagahe natin. So yun guys, wait lang. So pina-check in yung trolley natin para hindi tayo hassle, so backpack lang. So laban. So guys, na-pass in the initial security check, yung scanning ng boarding pass. So ito na tayo sa immigration, so bawal na dito, bawal. Alright guys, have passed the immigration and then the security checks. So we are now going through the train going to the boarding gate. So as of now, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung boarding gate natin dahil to be announced siya. So our flight is 7:05. So So ayan, sa part na to, nandito na tayo sa Skytrain ng Dubai International Airport going to Terminal Gates. Ayan, so it's just like a 5 minutes ride from the check-in counters to the gates. Alright, at this part, we are now disembarking the train. So pagdating nyo doon, kailangan nyo i-check yung Yun yung flight gate. By searching your flight number. So welcome to Dubai International Airport. So hindi pa natin alam yung gate natin. So akit muna tayo sa lounge. Magmamarhaba tayo. Let's go to Marhaba Lounge. Time check is 5:36. So magsi-6 pa lang. So akit muna tayo sa lounge. So sa may mga travel pass dyan, Mastercard travel pass, kung mga credit cards nyo is merong lounge access, you can go there and have some foods habang nag-aantay kayo ng boarding time. Okay, so lounge key is located from this side to here. Punta lang kayo dito. Songs are not loud. So, Marhaba Lounge. So, medyo sakto lang yung tao. Marhaba. Hi po.
Yeah, that's better.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please? This announcement is for all guests traveling on Fitz Air 8D822 to Colombo. Is now boarding at gate D15. I repeat, Fitz Air 8D822 to Colombo is now boarding at gate D15. We will now proceed to the gate for immediate departure. We would like to thank you for using Marhaba Lounge and wish you a very pleasant flight.
Medyo pumulan. So, na-posto. Mukhang mapapainom tayo. So, may city here. Ilang peso. Yun lang. So, punuan. Wala tayong upuan. Papasok sila ng papasok. Wala silang upuan. You belong to you and I belong to you. You are the joy to my very soul. Bakit ganun? Papasok sila na papasok kasi nung nabala. Binili sila. Someone sitting here? Someone sitting? Have nothing. Thank you. So balik tayo, tingin tayo na pwede pong makain habang tayo, ayoko mag-inom. Singapore na ako mag-inom. Tayo natin bagong pansit. Ayoko. I like drinking salad. Ayoko magkape.
Between three of us, yeah.
Konti naman. Iyak mo naman. Something. Tingnan natin yung Marhaba sa Singapore. Kuha na tayo ng seats. have a seat. And then, this is tiramisu, chocolate mud cake. Then, ayoko na. Just have sparkling water. Still water. Pasit lang tayo. Hindi tayo kakain ng bongga. Dahil masama sa tiyan. Okay. Nambay tayo dito hanggang alas 6. Ng hapon. So, ang boarding time natin is 7:20. Time check natin is 6:07. Ang boarding gate natin is D2. Ito lang natin mamaya. Charge lang tayo hanggang 60%. Okay guys, we are now here at Dubai International Airport Terminal 1, heading to gate assigned, which is gate SD6. So punta na tayo doon because our boarding time is 7:20 in the evening. So let's go. Finally we find ways. Yan, nandito na tayo sa din siya. So, antay na lang tayo ng boarding announcement. Ano bang group ko? Hindi ko alam kung anong group ko eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final boarding call
So,
for passengers traveling
boarding group number 5. Diba? Kasama natin ang mga magagandang dilag. Hi kayo dyan sa vlog ko. With Mami Sheka. Nawala na si John. Nawala na si Jonathan. Ang prinsipe ng mga pusa sa Abu Dhabi. So, ayun. We are waiting for the boarding announcement. Time check is 6:51. 7:20 will commence the boarding time. Okay, so boarding na po. 6:55 pala, nagpapasok na sila. Baka sa initial gate yan. So may antayan pa kasi sa loob, so mamaya tayo. Magpatawag muna tayo, magpa-announce muna tayo. Kailangan na tayo. Charles. Ayan, nag-start na ng boarding. So guys, it's time for boarding. So boarding gate dito. Ayan. Dito. Na board na. So tara, pasok na tayo. So guys, we are starting boarding. Group number 5. And it's on call. Let's go! That's it. to we are in 46A. And we are on the window side. So guys, we are now starting to leave the Dubai International Airport. So our approximate arrival in Singapore is 6:45 in the morning from original time of 7:15 a.m. So we are ahead of time. So see you in a bit, Singapore. Alright, on this part naman, so let me tour you inside the cabin of Singapore Airline Economy Class. Ayan. So I'm on the window seat. So we have the flight entertainment, we have the 12-inch TV. Then of course, we have the charging port. Ayan, so if ever malobat ka, you can charge on your devices while in the flight. And by the way, Singapore Airlines offer a in-flight Wi-Fi where you can connect during the flight duration. So, ayan. So, yan. Pag nalobat ka, you can just put your charger. Then, yung headset na kinuha natin kanina, dyan mo isasaksak. In terms of legroom naman, it's very comfortable. You can stretch up. Ayan, makaka-stretch ka. So, may kasama siyang, of course, unan. At ang pinakagusto ng lahat pag sasakay ng eroplano, which is ang kumot. At which is nauwi ko siya. So, that's it inside the aircraft. So, ayun na nga guys. So, we already departed from Dubai International Airport. And, nandito tayo ngayon sa Alabang. Ayan, napaka-perfect talaga ng Singapore Airlines. Dahil, nandito na lahat. I mean, comfortability pagdating sa legroom. It's very spacious, and then you have a flight entertainment, and then meron pa pakain. So ayun, so abang-abang kayo sa promotion ng Singapore Airlines kasi hindi talaga kayo lugi. And then if you will be having a long layover sa Singapore, you can apply for Singapore arrival card, and then you can go out and tour around the Singapore with their tourist spots. So actually yung minimum layover in Singapore para makalabas ka is 7 hours. So all you have to do, if you are a Philippine passport holder, you are free visa in Singapore. So all you have to do is to sign up on the Singapore arrival card. Yun, available yun sa portal na official Singapore Immigration. So makikita nyo yun doon. And then by the way, kung si Singapore Airlines naman, kung sasakyan nyo talaga yung Singapore Airlines, ahead or like weeks before your flight, i-inform or nagbibigay sila ng notification na if you are interested to go out in Singapore, so you can sign up on the Singapore arrival card, and then so that you can go out. And the flight duration from Dubai is 7 hours. So umalis na kami ng Dubai is around 8. Originally the departure time is 7:50, but I think we are late for like 10 minutes. So naka-depart kami ng Dubai ng 8:18, mga 8:20 ganyan. So I'm not sure kung bibilisan ng piloto so that makarating tayo doon ng maaga. So now guys, they have started to serve the flight service. So they started to giving away this Singapore peas and cracker. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo pero yan. Talaga dito peas and cracker. Okay, at sa part naman na to, ito na ang pinakaiintay ng lahat. Ang tanungin ka ng stewardess or ng flight attendant if you want chicken or beef. Ayan. Tawa ko ng tawa dyan kasi marami ako nakikitang memes or posts sa TikTok na ito yung pinakahihintay na part kapag nagka-travel ka going to Philippines or going to somewhere. Is yung tanungin ka ng flight attendant, would you like to have chicken or beef? Trending, di ba?
Usually have beef curry with rice or chicken with rice. Please, strawberry, sir.
So, ayun na nga at natanong na nga tayo ni ate mo girl na kung chicken nga ba or beef. And of course, trinay natin dito yung beef with curry ng Singapore Airlines. Ayan, kasi medyo hindi nyo ako naririnig dyan kasi wala akong gamit na microphone. So, voice over muna, ma'am. At eto na nga, inabot na ang ating order. Ayan na ang ating beef curry with rice. Ayan. At dyan sa part na yan, tinanong pa ako kung anong drinks. And of course, ipinush na natin yung red wine. Ayan, partner sa beef. At ito ang ating food. In-flight food of Singapore Airlines. So we have here this salad. We have this chocolate moist. Ito yung kinain ko kanina sa sa lounge. So they serve water and of course bread and then fresh milk for the coffee. Para yan mamaya. Kasi may pakapihan sila mamaya. So we have butter and of course yung sa loob nito is yung beef curry. So let's go, kain na tayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Singapore.
We're now here in Changi Airport. So we're going to Terminal 3.
Please hold on to the handrails. Now leaving for Terminal 3.
So here guys, after you ride on the SkyTrain, paglabas naman ng train, merong malaking signage dyan for the terminal map. So pwede nyo siyang gawin reference while you are going around the Changi Airport. So ayun guys, ito naglalakad na ako niyan papunta sa Arrival Hall D because Changi Airport has 4 terminal. So may kanya-kanya siyang arrival hall. So kung saan ka nag-land or kung anong terminal ka nag-land, it has a dedicated arrival hall where you can clear for immigration. Anyway, immigration nila is all digital, so you just need to do a facial scan and then voila, finish. And then yun sa part naman na to, tapos na natin yung immigration clearance, hindi naman tayo kumuha ng bagay, so mabilis lang siya. So on this signage, beside niyan, kung bumili kayo ng SIM card, dyan yung makukuha yung SIM card. So guys, paglabas nyo ng immigration, dyan yung kuhaan ng SIM card. Tapos, dito, hindi ko alam kasi ito papunta. SkyTrain, then train to city. Ayan. Yung mga signage naman. SkyTrain to Terminal 3, SkyTrain to Terminal 2, train to city. So, pupunta tayo ng Terminal 2 to get into the train going to city. So, going to Merlion Park via train system. So, magki-clear ka ng immigration. Then, pag clear mo sa immigration, punta ka sa metro station or MRT station which is located sa which is located sa Terminal 2. So, mag-SkyTrain pa tayo papunta ng Terminal 2. Okay? Okay guys, dito na muna nagtatapos tong vlog na to. At I think napakahaba na. It's almost 1 hour na tayong magkasama sa video na ito. Ayan, so abangan nyo ako sa part 2 para sa ating itinerary for 11 hours layover in Singapore. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my channel, Biyahe ni Noy. See you on the part 2!